Hi there, friends. This is really tragic, and yeah, I actually went miles out of my way in order to come back to film this. I have never seen a black bear, whether dead or alive, and yes, it's pretty gory. But he got hit by a car, probably last night. Yeah. Some animals just seem more majestic than others. And this is certainly a majestic animal, is it not? But no matter how grand, no matter how intelligent, no matter how beautiful, no matter how rich, no matter how smart, nature doesn't care about anything. Everybody is going to suffer, age, and die. And how sad that a person driving a vehicle caused this bear's death.